Alright people, decided to come check out the Ride or 2 they have here at the auction. This is one of them, 1967 Plymouth Belvedere. Pretty straight car, even though it's a Mordor. Says we got a non-runner, no keys, ignition switches missing, no brakes, and rust damage. Now, I looked it over, and I really couldn't find much in terms of rust. These quarter panels are solid, man. It's got some dings maybe here and there, but yeah, she's not in bad shape. I think all the glass except for this one is good. There's the VIN on it. Check out the bumper sticker there. A law we can live with. 55. That tail light's busted. This one's okay, I guess. Got a dent here in the right here in this area, like right here too. So it must have whatever hit it. Ugh. But man, they undercoated this car. There were some nice quarters inside. Yeah, man, I can smell that bad gas leaking out the fuel tank. I like the patina on it, man. Yeah. So we got factory AC car here. I've seen worse. I mean, it's, you know, it's rough, but not too far gone, I'd say. I already looked it over a little bit in here. Here's the owner's manual. 67 Belvedere. Last on the road, they had it insured up to 2000, so last on the road maybe 22 years ago. They must have been into photography. Some what are these filters, A&D filters? An old points and condenser. That's pretty cool. Air temp. Let's go around the other way. .318 car. V8. Front end don't look too bad. This door opens. Oh no. I wouldn't think a window for a 4-door 67 would be hard to find. There's the VIN on it. Here's the mileage. Like I said, man, I looked under the it's all, I mean, rockers are solid. Looks like the floor pans are solid as well. Plymouth transistor. I mean, trans audio. Let's take a look. I don't know how much you can see underneath, but I'm gonna try to pop that hood. But this place is they don't like people. Exhaust is hanging. They don't like people popping the hood, and they have the security riding around here. We'll see if I can Do it really quick here. Real quick, people. Where they? Let's get the. If you hear somebody screaming at me, you know what's going on. Come on. I got power steering, obviously, like I said, factory AC car. 318, but we got the manual brakes, manual drums, I'm sure of it is. There she is, man. What will she go for? I don't know. Find out. Well, I hope I can anyways. If not, then, you know, I'll only have to speculate.